Where to begin? Eau de vie, aqua vitae, ushkebach, water of life, otherwise known as the good Eau de vie is, at its essence, distilled alcohol, and is basically a national pastime out in France where people make it from almost everything that grows. From chestnuts, walnuts, plums, and a plethora of other things, but mostly it is made from apples and pears. Out in France, most parishes or communes will have a village still, and if you're over a certain age, you can distill a certain number of litres of eau de vie every year. I absolutely cannot fathom the chaos that sort of system would bring to villages in England. I believe the term eau de vie was first coined by a man who lived in the 13th century named Thaddeus of Florence. Thaddeus was quite a remarkable man with many accolades to his name, in particular being one of the first medical lecturers at the University of Bologna, being referenced in Dante's Inferno in Not the Brightest of Lights, which probably means that he was rather fun. His work also described the method for producing ethanol of over 90% purity. He's also credited as the origin of the term aqua vitae. You see, before Thaddeus, the term was aqua ardens, which means burning water, and if any of you have had 70% alcohol, you will know why. Thaddeus argued that this was a poor name, and his proposal for the new name basically dumbs down to this. High-strength alcohol warms you up and limbers you up. This is the exact opposite of what happens when you are dead, when you are cold and stiff. So obviously, high-strength alcohol is the opposite of death, and therefore it should be called water of life, because obviously it will prevent death. Now, even by 13th century medical standards, I would call that a bit of a stretch. But nevertheless, here we are. Cheers.